Namaste children, welcome to today's class. So today I am going to introduce new chapter named as Parts and Wholes, that is the fourth chapter, and you are familiar this concept even in the class 4th under the name of fractions. So here we are going to discuss about the fractions in this chapter in the form of some practical examples, live examples and some activities. So now dear children, open your textbook, page number 14. So look at your textbook. So our flag, you must have seen the flag of our country. Do you know how to draw the flag? Yes, all of you, we have seen our country flag, and in our school, in all the schools, we used to hoist the flag on August 15th, that is Independence Day, and on 26th January, Republic Day. So everybody has seen, of your class, 5th class students have seen this flag, our Indian flag. Yes, see here we have, this is the Indian flag. You can see what are the colors which are there in our Indian flag. Yes, it is 3 colors are there: saffron, that is orange color, and at the middle we have white color, bottom we have, down we have green color. Yes, we know how to draw the flag. Here, draw a rectangle of length 9 centimeters and width 6 centimeters. Divide it into 3 equal parts and complete the flag. So now we are drawing a flag of 9 centimeters length and 6 centimeters wide. Yes, here I am drawing a simple, yes, like this, 9 centimeters long and 6 centimeters wide flag. Yes, like this. This is a simple flag. Now we are dividing this into 3 equal parts. 3 equal parts, like this, 3 equal parts. Its length is how much? 9 centimeters, and the width is 6 centimeters. Then each part width it will be 2 centimeters. This is 2 centimeters and it is 2 centimeters. Like this, you draw a rectangle of 9 centimeters long and 6 centimeters wide. Then you divide this rectangle into 3 equal parts. 3 equal parts. The top 1/3 of our flag is saffron or orange. What is the color of the middle 1/3 of the flag? Where will you draw the Ashok Chakra? How much of the flag will you color green? Is the white color now less than 1/3 of the flag and white? So complete this flag of drawing this. Top 1/3 you color this with the orange color or saffron. So this with what color you have to? What color we have to shade this? Saffron color, and at the middle it is a white color, and the bottom it is a green color. Bottom what it is? This is green color, and in the middle what it is? White color, and here it is orange or saffron. Orange or saffron color we have to draw, and at the middle of where do we draw the Ashok Chakra, our emblem? It is at the middle in the white portion. Draw the Ashok Chakra. Yes, in the circular, and we find here that 24 lines will be there. Yes, draw like this. 24. Now how many hundred? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7, 8, 9, still 10, and then 11. Yes, and here we have 12. Like this, you draw the 12 into 2, it is 24. Will get 24 lines. Will find here in this. This is our emblem Ashok Chakra. So after drawing our flag, our country flag, now answer the questions. Here are some questions. What is the color of the middle 1/3 of the flag? First question. Middle 1/3 of the flag. What it is? Middle 1/3 of the flag. What color it is? White in color. So the first question answer is white. Next, the second question you answer. Yes. What is the color? Yes. Where will you draw the Ashok Chakra? Where will you draw the Ashok Chakra? In the middle portion of the white color or white part. Middle portion of white color. Middle portion of white color. Middle portion of white color. White color. Yes. Then see here. How much of the flag will you color green? Green color is the bottom. How much it is? 1/3 of the flag. 1/3. In fractional form it is 1/3. 1/3 of the flag is green color. Next, is the white color now less than 1/3 of the flag, and why? Is the now the white color is less than 1/3 of the flag? Is it is 1/3 less than 1/3? Yes. Why? Reason? Can you? Yes, because here we have at the middle Ashok Chakra is there, which is in blue color, so it occupies some white color. That's why the white color is less than 1/3 of the flag. Yes, it is. Yes, it is less than. Why? Because Ashok Chakra is occupying some space in the white color. Some space in the white color. Some space in the white color. Yes. Like this, we will answer the questions on our Indian flag. Now down here we have two more countries, their flags are there. Yes. Now look at this flag. How much of it is black? That is the flag of Afghanistan. Afghanistan flag is there. Yes, this is Afghanistan flag. And you see, children, what are the colors which we are finding in the Afghanistan flag? Yes, black, red and green. And we are finding an emblem in the middle of the red color. So it is divided into how many colors? 3 colors. And all are equal. That is equal parts is there. Now observe this and answer the questions. Yes. So here, Afghanistan, the flag of Afghanistan. Questions. The flag of Afghanistan. Afghanistan. The flag of Afghanistan. Yes. Yes. In this flag we have 3 colors are there. What are those? Black color, red color and green color. Now look at the flag. How much of it is black? What is the black color? How much part is black color? Black color it is. Yes. It is 1/3. 1/3. That is 1/3. Part of the flag. Yes. Next, the second question is there. The green part of the flag can be written as. What is there? How much part is the green color? Yes, it is also same 1/3. Green color is also 1/3 of the flag. Next, we have the third question. Yes, third question is red less than 1/3 of the flag? Why? Red less than. Yes, you see here, red is less than 1/3 or not? Yes, it is also less than 1/3 because of the presence of emblem in the red region or red color. Yes, because of the presence of emblem. Because of the presence of emblem in the red region. In the red region or red space. Like this, we can answer the questions on the flag. Afghanistan flag, which is having 3 colors, that is black, red and green. And we will answer like this. Now we have one more flag is there, that is the flag of Myanmar. This is the flag of Myanmar, which is our neighboring country. Yes. What colors do you find here? Blue and red we are finding. And in the blue what we have? Again one emblem is there. Now answer these questions from on your own. Yes, this is the flag of Myanmar, our neighbor. Is blue more than 1/4 of the flag or less? Observe the blue. Is it is more than 1/4 or less than 1/4? Yes, it is less than 1/4 of the flag. Why it is? Why it is? Because there is again an emblem is there. Yes, that is flag of Myanmar. Flag of Myanmar. Flag of Myanmar. So here, what are the questions? What colors are there in the flag of Myanmar? Red and blue, and one emblem is there in the white color. Now the question: is blue more than 1/4 of the flag or less? Blue, yes, it is less. Less than 1/4 of the flag. 1/4 of the flag. Can you guess why it is less than 1/4? Yes, because of again the presence of an emblem in the blue region. Guess how much of the flag is red? Is it is more than half? Is it is more than 3/4? Guess the size of the red color. Yes, it is more than half, and it is also more than 3/4. It is also more than 3/4. Yes, you can write. Yes. It is more than half. It is more than half, and also more than 3/4. 3/4 of the flag. 3/4 of the flag. So like this we will observe different countries their flags and we will answer the questions. Is it clear, children? Now move to the page number 51. Find out. Collect as many flags as you can. So dear children, you collect different countries' flags as you can collect, and you paste them in the notebook. In your notebook you have to paste minimum 10 countries flags. You collect small flags and you paste them in the notebook. Now how many flags have 3 colors, or all the colored parts are equal in these flags? So now after collecting the flags of different countries, now observe the flags. How many flags are in tricolor, that is having only 3 colors? Count 1, 2, 3. If 3 flags are there with only 3 colors, write 3. If 4 flags are there with 3 color, write 4. Like that. Now then again you should observe, are all these 3 parts, are all these 3 colors have equal parts, or are all the colored parts are equal in these flags? Observe the colors and the parts whether they are equal or not. So you should answer those questions from the collected flags. You collect different countries' flags and you observe them whether they have only 3 colors or more. If they have 3 colors, write how many flags have 3 colors. If they have more than 3 colors, count and observe whether they have the same area of all the colors, will have equal area or not. Now this is the flag of math club in a school in Kerala. What part of the flag is colored red? What part is green? Yes, this is the flag of math club is in a school from Kerala. So the upper topmost part is colored with what? This is red color, and the bottom is also colored with red. So 2 parts are there with red color, and the second part is colored with green. Yes, this is colored with what? Green color, and the down we have yellow, and then we have blue. So this is what? Yellow color, and here we have the blue color is there. So the 5 colors are there in the flag of math club of a school in Kerala. Now questions. What part of the flag is colored red? What part of the flag is colored with red? So here 2 parts are there. Out of how many parts? The whole flag is divided into 5 parts. The whole flag is divided into 5 parts. So how what part is green? Green is how much part? Yes, it is only one part is there out of 5. Therefore, it is 1 over 5 or 1 by 5. Similarly, you can frame n number of questions. What part of yellow color is there? Yes, it is 1 by 5. Blue, it is 1 by 5. Now a question: Are all colors have equal parts? No. Why? Because red color is 2 parts are there. The remaining green, yellow, and blue are 1 part each. So all the 4 colors do not have equal parts. Like this, you can frame the questions and you can answer these questions. Now see this black logo, draw it. So in white portion here you have a logo is there. That logo you have to draw. Then, is there a math club in your school? If not, ask your teacher how to set it up. Design a flag for your math club. Draw it here. So now, is there a math club in the school? Yes, if it is there, yes, you can design a flag for your math class. Design a flag for your math club on your own, and you draw that flag in this space provided here, in this empty space. So you can take the help of this flag, or you can create your own and you can draw, and you design one emblem also for your math club flag, and you draw here. Then answer the questions. Down you have questions are there. Have you used the red color? What part of the flag did you colored red? So here, in your math class math club flag, have you used red color? If you use red color, yes, red color is used. How much part is used? If it is 1 part you use, or if it is 2 parts you use, or if it is 3 parts you use, out of 5 parts, or 6 parts, or 7 parts. In this school they took 5 parts total. You may take 4 parts, or you may take 3 parts. Like this you can design on your own one flag for your math club, and you observe whether you have chosen the red color or not. If you chosen the red color, how many parts it is there? It is chosen. Now, what were the other colors you choose? Then write the other colors which you have chosen to design your math club flag. So it is a simple work. Draw. You design a math club flag and you color the parts, identify the colors and identify the parts, answer the given questions. Is it clear, children? Thank you.